Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ruby and today I will share with you this beautiful eye makeup look, golden glittery bridal eye makeup look I have named it. It's a beautiful eye makeup look and you can achieve it very easily. So please watch the full video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel now and also keep the notification bell on. So let's get started. First I will conceal my eyes. I am using KRYOLAN concealer. You can use any concealer if you have, and I'm using PAC blending brush and I will be concealing my eyes with that. So this concealing eyes help us to hide our pigmentation or discoloration on our eyes. So this will hide everything and this will also gives our eyeshadow pops out. So once I'm done concealing, I'm dusting out with this KRYOLAN dusting powder. It's a very good product. Actually, I love KRYOLAN, so I'm using this products since very long time. So I'll be dusting out all the from all over my eyelid, so my concealer doesn't get crease. Once I'm done dusting, I will be using this Scotch tape and on my eyelid, so I can have a accurate eye makeup look. Here I am taking PAC eyeshadow palette and I'm using this orange and brown mixed color. It is like a dusty, you can say a very orangey or brown color mix it is. So I'll be applying it on my transition area as well as on my crease area, as you can see. So I have started on my crease area and slowly I'll be dragging it up towards my eyebrow area. So here I'm using my blending brush. With the help of my blending brush, I'm applying it, and as you can see, I'm dragging it up slowly by slowly. I'm not putting the whole product, I'm picking up the products step by step. So I'm blending it fast forwardly, so I should not waste most of your time. So once I'm done, I'm happy with the blending, so I'll be picking up this black color. With the help of my small brush, I will be applying it. So this is on my outer V area. I'll be giving it a shape, as you can see. So this only I'm putting it on my outer V area. Again, we have to blend it nicely and steadily. So once I'm done with it, with the same blending brush, I'm just diffusing the black line which has been occurred. So this black eyeshadow, I have to diffuse it. And once I'm satisfied that the eyeliner, the black eyeshadow has been diffused, then I will take another step. So once I'm done with this, I'll be picking up this maroon color metallic shade. It's from PAC Shimmer palette. So it's a metallic shade, as you can see, it's in maroon color. So I'll be applying it on my half lid area with this small blending brush. So it gives a very dense look and it gives a very beautiful look for the bridal wear, for your pre-engagement parties or engagement parties or pre-wedding parties. This eye look goes very well. It also goes well with the Indo-Western. So once I'm done, then I'm just giving a black shadow. I feel that it has been faded out, so I'm just giving a touch up and I'm diffusing that maroon line as well. So as you can see, I have not picked up any product. I'm just doing with that brush only. So this is a Swiss Beauty Midnight palette. It's I'm picking up this rusty golden color and I'll be applying it on my half lid area where I have put that maroon color. I'm applying it on that. Now I will do the eyeline. I will be taking this Maybelline eyeliner in liquid form. So in black currant, and I'm giving a good eyeline look. If you are expert in that, you can give a very dramatic look as well, or if you're a beginner, you can give a simple eyeline look, because as it is, the eye makeup is heavy. So now you can see I'm removing my Dutch tape and how professional it looks, how accurate cut line it gives. You just have to clean the excess thing over there. And now I'm taking this Maybelline Colossal Kajal and I'll be applying it on my waterline area. So this kajal doesn't smudge, so I will recommend you, if you're using on your bride or using on yourself, this is a very good kajal to go for. So I'm blending this kajal with a small smudging brush. So because I wanted a smoky look, so you have to blend a little kajal on to give a smoky effect. So this defines our eyes in a bigger way and it defines our eye beautifully. Now I'm picking up the same color which I have used for transition, and I'll be just smoking out on my lower lash line area just to give a smoke out look. Once I'm done with that, then I'm taking this Euro Paris eyelashes. I love this eyelashes. They are very lightweight and it doesn't feel at all. With the glue I'm sticking it up, and as I have told you, it's a very quick look. We are done with this. Now I'm highlighting my brow bone area. This is Miss Claire number 12 highlighter. I'll be applying it on my brow bone area as well as on my tear duct area. As I have told you, this look is a very simple look. It means the look is very heavy, but as you can see, the steps what I have used, this method is very simple. You can use it on your client, on yourself. So this is a final look. As you can see, it looks so beautiful. It is dazzling, it is excellent. It gives a very elegant look as well. With the heaviness, it gives elegant as well. So you can do it on your gowns, if you're wearing a gown, if you're wearing saris, if you're wearing lehenga. This look goes perfectly on everything. So if you have done this look, do comment on my video, and if you like this video, do give a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe to my channel and also keep the notification bell on for my latest videos. I hope you like this channel, and I'm waiting for your comment. Till then, stay safe and have a good life. Take care. Bye bye.